welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. If this is your very first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so that you are updated every time that I got a new video. Also, don't forget to hit the bell so that you do get a notification on your phone whenever these videos go up. Today, I finally got my hands on my June BOXYCHARM box. I don't know who they hired to ship to my city. Let me tell you, they take their sweet little time. They take their time. And it is so annoying. But I finally got my hands on the BOXYCHARM, and mainly because I wanted this palette. Today, I am creating this look with the Alamar Cosmetics palette. This palette has such beautiful colors in it. I mean, it's gorgeous. The back says that it is inspired by the beauty and rich culture of Cuba, which is the birthplace of Alamar Cosmetics. And, you know, it's just give you all type of Cuban vibes, island vibes, summertime. That's why I got my curls popping and my little summer shirt. You know, we feeling it today. If you look at the colors, they do swatch beautifully. They range from matte shades to shimmer shades, and even this olive color kind of looks like it's a pressed glitter, and it is bomb. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching, and I'll see y'all at the end. So I'm so excited that I'm finally being able to get into this palette. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eye with my Tarte Shape Tape. So I don't want to be disrespectful to anyone's culture. So I'm actually not going to try to pronounce some of these names. I'm just going to show the camera, and you know, you guys can read it. So the first color I'm going to go into, which I can say this one is Tropical, and I'm going to put that into my crease. And it's going to be up pretty high because y'all know I got a lot of lid space. Lid and eye space, so I got a lot of space to just put a lot of color. So that's what we're going to do. Y'all, my wig is being disrespectful today, man. All these hairs, these straggling hairs all over the place. Anybody got time? Then from there, I'm gonna go into this burgundy-ish color down here, and I'm gonna put that directly into my crease. And with this color, I am going to stamp it into the crease and then blend it out on the edges. I need this to be as pigmented as possible. We're gonna get them Cuban vibes, then we need color, and we need a lot of it. So with the brush that I use for Tropical, I'm just going to go right on top of that, on the edges, just to blend that out. And we get a nice blowout of color. I'm feeling it. And then right on the edge, I'm going to go into this brown color, and I'm going to put that right on the end on my crease. So from there, I'm going to go in with my cut crease. Of course, I'm going to use what I always use for this, which is my Tarte Shape Tape. And then with a small brush with a little bit of the red or the brown color in it, I'm just going to taper off the side because I am going to want this to blend into the darker color a little bit later. On to my favorite color that is in this palette, and that is the color El Malecón, and I hope I'm saying that right because I want to do this color justice. And I'm gonna put that right on top of my lid, and I'm gonna spray my brush as well. And if you just swatch this color on your finger, let me show y'all how beautiful this is. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I'm actually not gonna waste this swatch. I'm just gonna press that on my lid real quick and see how that comes off. Crazy pigment. Like, it looks like it's sitting in the pan right there on my eye, which is dope. This is the reason why I was so excited to use this palette. Like, this is dope, man. So from there, I'm gonna go into the color Cilia, and I'm gonna blend that on the outside of my lid. And of course, I'm kind of just blending over that line to marry the colors together. You know how to. Bruh, you can make a really pretty like halo eye with these colors. With this El Malecón in the middle. Oh, girl. That would be so cute. So I'm gonna have to do that sometime in the future. Then I'm gonna go back into the reddish color, and I'm gonna put that on the edges just to blend that in. So I'm pretty much done with that eye look up top. I'm gonna go ahead and line my eye with my pretty Vulgar liner. And I'm actually not gonna wing it out today. And the lashes we are using today are the Ikonn eyelashes, and this is in Trust Issues. And I didn't want to do too much today with the lashes because I did really want to still be able to see this olivey color. I just did not want to risk not being able to see it and covering it up with a lash. So this one is a little more modest. It's long. At least it's got, you know, it's got little spaces in it or whatever, so you can really see what's going on. It's compromise, man. Look at me compromising. Come on, girl. And as I mentioned in my last video, I do have a coupon code for these lashes, And all you gotta do is put in the code Maya on iikonn.com, and there you go. I'll have that down in the description box as well. Okay, so under eye, I'm gonna go into this very gorgeous blue color on my lower lash line, and I'm excited about this. So I think this is gonna be really, really pretty. God, if this color is not gorgeous, I don't know what is. So I'm gonna take a clean brush just to blend that out on the edges, because to me that line is ending a little bit harsh. So I lied. I think this needs a wing. I'm sorry guys, I tried my best not to do it, but I gotta do it. So my wings gave me some problems today, because apparently I wasn't supposed to do them, but you know, I love my wings, so I made it happen. From there, for my under eye, I'm gonna line my waterline with my liner, and then I'm gonna put on my mascara. Now I don't want my mascara to be too thick, because I want to be able to really see this blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip back into this palette into the color La Costa, and I'm gonna highlight my brown bone. And that is really light, but you know, it's cool if you just use it. Ain't cool. I'm gonna diffuse this, and I'm gonna mix it a little bit with my goldish highlight that I always use. I'm not crazy about highlights that are like stark white like this. It makes me uncomfortable and gives me anxiety. So I'm gonna use my Pose highlight from my ShaylaxColourpop collection. This is like my absolute favorite highlight right now, because it just gives me that, bronzy look that I'm going for. Like, it's just so pretty. And since this is a very summer tropical type of a look, I'm gonna go ahead with my Fenty Beauty Lip Illuminator, and this is in Bilingual. Alright loves, so this is the finished look. I hope that you really enjoyed this look that I created with the Alamar Cosmetics palette. And if you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below if you want to, and hit subscribe below if you have not yet, baby girl. You know that you're real. And I will see you on my next upload. Bye. Got my hands on my BOXYCHARM. And let me tell y'all, this, look at my camera hating on me. Enjoyed this look that I created with the Alamar Cosmetics palette. Oh Lord, that's what I get. This is what I get. You know, God don't want me to have a wing. He don't. You know what? He don't want me to do a wing with this look. Oh no, Lord. I'm sorry.